Second person, we have Stephanie Samaila.
All right, she's coming from University of Anguatema.
Stephanie Samaila, you're welcome. We have the third participant. We have Anita Joseph.
Anita Joseph. Where is she?
Now put our hands together for her.
Women Jawaki University.
And the last but not the least, we have Israel Isaiah. So now these are SS1 and SS2 competing with Group B. Put our hands together for Victor Sanzit Gebre. Victory Sanzit Gebre. Let's put our hands together for her.
The teaching girl from the Cambridge University. Clap for her.
The next person we have Israel Stevie. Can we put our hands together for him? Israel Stevie. Where is he?
Israel Stevie. What happened? Who is Israel? With the class. Has not been calling. Oh, who are we going to grab? SS2? SS2.
Next person we have Godwin Emmanuel. Can we put our hands together for him? The last person, we have Savior Matthew. Savior Matthew, come on. I don't know where you normally get your coronavirus. Every day, no smart.
Yeah. The only victim of corona is Lotswill Benjamin. Lotswill.
Is he down? Is Lotswill around? Now we put our hands together for him.
Come.
So this will be a highly competitive Genesis Barcelona. Can we put our hands together? Please listen attentively. We want this quiz to go as smooth as possible. Are we together? Good.
We are about to start our quiz competition between SS1, SS2 versus SS3. We have our contestants seated here from SS1, SS2, we call them Group 1 or Group A. That would be your name for now. And then we have Group B, which is SS3. Listen to the rules of the game. Every team will be asked 5 questions each of 2 marks. You will be given 20 seconds for each question. So you will be allowed to pick your questions from the number that we have here in each subject. If the allotted team is unable to answer, the question will pass on to the subsequent team. Number 3. A subsequent team will be given 10 seconds to answer and will be awarded 2 marks. 1 mark. If you answer your question correctly, you have 2 marks. The bonus will be passed to the subsequent team. If they answer it correctly, they have 1 mark. We are going to be strict. You only have 1 chance to answer. Once you say A, we will not give chance for another person to say B. So you better liaise together, make sure you pick the right answer. We have about 6 to 8 subjects here. We'll try as much as possible to cover them all. So we are going to start with English language. So question, an observation. We are going to give you 2 chances, but within your time, 20 seconds. Within your time frame, 20 seconds. And if you did not get the question, you are free to ask. We will read the question for you again, but not after you have started something. Once you spend 2 minutes, 2 seconds, you cannot read the question again. Now we start with group A. You pick your question. We have questions in English from 1 to 14. Question number 3. The building dash because of which structural foundation? The building dash because of weak structural foundation. A. Stumble. B. Succumb. C. Collapse. D. Cave. C. Collapse. Correct. You have 2 marks. Your question will be question number 5. The doctor dash the illness as yellow fever. The doctor dash the illness as yellow fever, not malaria. A. Examine. B. Discover. C. Announce. D. Diagnose. D.
Open your mouth now.
D. Correct. Now, 2 marks. Question number 12. If you want to answer, be audible, please. Question number 12. One of the following is an example of abstract noun. A. Death. B. Rice. C. Water. And D. People. One of the following is an example of abstract noun. A. Death. B. Rice. C. Water. D. People. Dead, correct. A. Question number 7. He got into trouble in an attempt to conceal the truth. Dash me. A. To. B. Against. C. From. And D. For. He got into trouble in an attempt to conceal the truth. Dash me. A. To B. Against. C. From. And D. For. A. No. B.
She said B now.
B. No. The bonus goes to you. C. Correct. In English language. A. 24. B. 20. C. 21. And D. 5. A. 21 correct. A. 24 correct. Sorry. A. 24 correct. Okay, choose another person. Question number 8. Pay attention. All of the following are consonant sounds except B. B. C. U. D. C. Correct. Question number 3 has been answered. Number 2. The fisherman threw a stone into the river, and this caused a dash. A. Stone. B. Flash. C. Spring. D. Sparkle. B. Flash. Correct. Round of applause for them. If you want to clap, clap. Question number 9. Which of the following is a part of speech? A. Lips. B. Teeth. C. Letter. D. Preposition. Your answer? D. D, correct. Your answer? Question number 1. How many consonant sounds are there in English language? How many consonant sounds are there in English language? A. 24. B. 26. C. 25. D. 21. D. 21, no. A. 24, correct. There are 3 types of letter writing. Mention them. There are 3 types of letter writing. Mention them.
Mention now, no option for you.
There are 3 types of letter writing. Mention them. No option.
Formal letter, informal letter, and semi-formal letter.
Correct. Pick your last question. Question 8 has been answered. We have 11. We have question number 14. Number 14. Identify this sound from the following words. A. Rapport. B. Reception. Receipt. Receipt. D. Time. D. Flow. Identify this sound. P with strike. From the following words. A. Rapport. B. Receipt. Receipt. C. Time. D. Flow. A. Correct. We are now moving to the second part of the quiz, which is mathematics. Group B has a total of 8 marks. Put your hands together for them. While Group B
Group A.
has a total mark of 11. Group A has a total mark of 11. That is SS1, SS2. Put your hands together for them. Now, we are on a journey. We are moving to mathematics now. Pick your question. Pick your question. Group B.
Be audible, be audible. Open your mouth.
Open your
Amma ku fara surutu, kuna surutu da mutane a waje kun ya bude baki.
Express 0.000456 in a standard form. Express 0.000456 in a standard form. A. 4.56 times 10 raised to power minus 6. B. 4.56 times 10 raised to power minus 3. C. 4.56 times 10 raised to power minus 5. D. 4.56 times 10 raised to power minus 4. Be audible. D. Correct. Question number 4. The mean of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 is the mean of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 is A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, and D. 9. 6. Correct. Your question.
Question 5.
Question number 5. the mode of the number 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6 is the mode of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6 is A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6. C 5, correct. Now pick your question. Question number 7. Evaluate 5 raised to power minus 2. 5 raised to power minus 2. A, 1 over 5. B, 1 over 25. C, 25. D, minus 25. Evaluate 5 raised to power minus 2. A, 1 over 5. B, 1 over 25. C, 25. And D, minus 5. B, 1 over 25. Clap for me. Number 2 mark. Your question. Question number 10. If sin x is equal to 0.5, find x in degree 0.5 or 1 over 2. If sin x is equal to 0.5, find x in degree A, 30 degrees, B, 45 degrees, C, 60 degrees, and D, 90 C, wrong. B, wrong. Bonus.
Open your mouth now when you
D, wrong.
And they have said, oh no, all of them.
Yes. Anybody from the audience? The answer is A, 30 degrees.
When you are answering something, open your mouth. You know, open your mouth. You will be doing something. Come on.
Sin x equal to 0.5.
What's your question?
Question number 12. A triangle has 50 degrees. Okay. A triangle has angle 50 degrees and 65 degrees. Find the third angle. A triangle has 50 degrees and 65 degrees. Find the third angle. A, 85. B, 65. C, 75. D, 55. And B, 65. A round of applause for them. Question number 4. Question number 4.
Pay attention. They are talking and you are busy making noise. There.
Question number 4 has been answered. Pick another one. Number 5 has been answered. Number 7 has been answered. 9. Question number 9. the volume of a juice with side length 5 centimeters is the volume of a juice with side length 5 centimeters is A 25 centimeter cube, B 50 centimeter cube, C 125 centimeter cube, and B 150 centimeter cube. A wrong. B wrong. That's the bonus. C correct. 125 volume length and breadth and height, and you have it equal. So yes, pick your question.
You. Group A, pick your question.
Pick your question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Solve for x so that 5x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 9. Solve for x so that 5x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 9. A 3, B 4, C 5, and D 6.
So for x in the equation 5x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 9.
No options. What's option one?
Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6.
No. D 6. No. Bonus. B 4 correct. Give them their bonus. The bonus. They are pick your question. Question 12. Question number 12. I've been answered. Question number 13. Convert 25 base 10 base 5. Convert 25 base 10 base 5.
A 50,
A 50, B 100, C 23, D 45. A 50, B 100, C 23, D 45. B 100 correct. If set A contains the following elements: 2, 4, 6, and 8, and set B contains the following elements: 4, 8, and 12. Find A intersection of B. If set A contains 2, 4, 6, and 8, and set B contains 4, 8, and 12. intervention B. A,
Hey, keep quiet now.
and 8. B, 2 and 6. C, 8 and 12. D, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Yeah? A, correct. 2 marks for them. You are here, you are not clapping. They are answering correctly. We have come to the end of mathematics. That is session 2. We are moving to literature. Without waste of time, you pick your question. Question number 4. Another name for unlimited. Sorry. Question number 4. Literature. Literature is divided into 2 broad types, namely A, reading and writing. B, oral and written. C, novel and poems. D, fiction and non-fiction. B, correct. Oral and written. Your question. Question number 3. For a successful drama or play to be complete, there must be A, killing. B, action. C, dancing. And D, singing. You said, let the people hear your voice. Action, correct. Question number 6. When a novel or drama is written and presented on HIV/AIDS, this can be an example of how literature can be A, good formative and corrective tool. B, a cure to diseases. C, a means to prevent people from contacting the infection. And D, none of the above. The option or the question.
Read the question.
When a novel or a drama is written and presented on HIV/AIDS, this can be an example of how literature can be A, good formative and corrective tool. B, a cure to the disease. C, a means to prevent people from contacting the infection. And D, none of the above. C, wrong. A, correct. Please, liars.
Always liars.
If someone is saying A, another is saying B at the same time, you are finished your chance, so I will fail you. So you have one person have to speak at a time. Pick your question. Question number 5. Literature does not change the behavior of people. True or false? False. False. Correct. 2 marks. Question number 2. In a literature, the abbreviation DPP stands for one of the following. A, Director of Public Prosecution. B, Driver per person. C, Grammar, prose, and poetry. And then D, Day of prompt payment. C, Grammar, prose, and poetry. All right. Number 10. In a literary work, a character is a person who performs in A. Farm, B. Football field, C. Play, D. School. C. Play, correct. Question number 11. One of the following is not a characteristic feature of a drama. One of the following is not a characteristic feature of a drama. A. Written in act and scenes. B. Uses paragraph. C. Uses dialogue. D. Involves the use of imitation and imagination. B. What? Uses paragraph, correct. Your question.
Question A.
Question number 8. You have been answered. How can literature give an insight into the other people's culture? How can literature give an insight into other people's culture? A. When a writer focuses on the riches of his cultural background. B. When readers of culturally diverse backgrounds begin to appreciate and admire other people's culture. C. When we always speak our language. D. None of the above. How can literature give an insight into the people's culture? A. When a writer focuses on the riches of his cultural background. B. When readers of culturally diverse backgrounds begin to appreciate and admire other people's culture. C. When we always speak our language. D. None of the above. B. Correct. Last question in this round. Question number 13. Question number 13. Literature entertains us through the following, except A. Music, B. Poem, C. Pictures, and D. Drama. Pictures, correct. And our last question.
Number 1.
Question number 1. Are you sure it has not been answered? Question number 1. How would you define literature? A. A mirror of life and society. B. The flower that beautifies language. C. Some forms of writing on a subject using language or imagination as tools to express feelings or emotion, especially in novel, play, and poem. D. All of the above.
Kana ji abin da yake magana?
You said what?
Ana cikin ne.
D. Correct. All of the above. Question number 7. The formula CN H2N plus 1OH is the homologous series of A. Alkanal, B. Alkanol, C. Alkanone, D. aldehyde. B. Alkanol, correct. Question number 4. Water gas is a mixture of A. Carbon dioxide and hydrogen. B. Carbon dioxide and water. C. Carbon dioxide and nitrogen. D. Hydrogen and nitrogen. Water gas is a mixture of A. Carbon dioxide and hydrogen. B. Carbon dioxide and water. C. Carbon dioxide and nitrogen. And D. Hydrogen and nitrogen. No, that is B. C. No. Eh? A, correct. D, correct. Question number 4 has been picked. Is the one we are dealing with now. Question number 2. The basicity of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid is A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, and D, 4. B, 2, correct. Let's pick a question. Pick your question from A. Question number 3. An element X has a mass number of 33, an atomic number of 16. What is the number of neutrons? An element X has a mass number of 33, an atomic number of 16. What is the number of neutrons? A, 16. B, 33. C, 17. And D, 49. C, correct, 17. Your question number 8. The electronic configuration of aluminium 3+, that is Al3+, is A, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. B, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s3. C, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. D, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. C, correct. Eh? Question 2 have been answered. It has been answered by you. It has been answered just now. Eh? Question 5. Say question 5. A solution of sodium hydroxide contains 2.5 grams in 500 cl. A solution of sodium hydroxide contains 2.5 grams in 500 cl. What is the mass concentration in grams per dl? A, 2.5. B, 5. C, 10. And D, 15. A, 5. Sorry, A, 2.5. B, 5. C, 10. And D, 15. C, 10. Wrong. What is the mass of 3 moles of oxygen gas? What is the mass of 3 moles of oxygen gas? A, 16. B, 48. C, 96. D, 108. A, 16. B, 48. C, 96. And D, 108. B, what? Wrong. Three moles of oxygen. C, 96 correct. Pick your question. Question number 13. Sodium chloride crystal can be obtained from seawater. Sodium chloride crystal can be obtained from seawater by A, decantation, B, condensation, C, neutralization, D, evaporation. Sodium chloride crystal can be obtained from seawater by A, decantation, B, condensation, C, neutralization, and D, evaporation. Wrong. One more chance. B, condensation. Wrong. A. The answer is D, evaporation. You answer at the same time, and I told you that I'm going to penalize you for that. Let one person you are not going to.
No, you could have synchronized now. That was why he was waiting. Actually, you get the right question.